Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of quick and concise notes of chemical control and coordination. This is part 2 of the video. Part 1 of the video is already uploaded and I will provide the link in the description box. So let's begin part 2 of the chapter. So we start with pineal gland. First is the location. Pineal gland is located in the dorsal side of the forebrain and it secretes melatonin. This melatonin functions is to regulate the 24-hour diurnal rhythm of our body. It helps us to maintain the normal rhythm of our sleep-wake cycle. It is used to regulate body temperature, helps in maintaining metabolism and pigmentation of skin. It maintains menstrual cycle and the defense capability of our body. Next gland is thyroid gland. So there are two lobes in thyroid gland which are located on either side of the trachea. These two lobes are interconnected by a connective tissue which is called isthmus. The thyroid gland is composed of follicles and stromal tissues. Now the thyroid follicles are composed of follicular cells. The follicular cells are further used to synthesize two hormones, T4 and T3, that is tetraiodothyronine, which is called T4, or thyroxine, and triiodothyronine, or T3. Next important point is that iodine is essential for the normal rate of hormones which are synthesized by the thyroid gland. Next is a very important disease called as hypothyroidism, which is mainly due to the deficiency of iodine. Now characteristics are enlargement of the thyroid gland, which is called goiter, and during pregnancy it leads to defective development and maturation of the growing baby, which leads to stunted growth, which is known as cretinism. It also leads to mental retardation, low intelligence quotient, and deaf mutism. So these are the characteristics of hypothyroidism. Adult women, hypothyroidism leads to menstrual cycle becomes irregular. Now next is hyperthyroidism, which is due to cancer of thyroid gland. This is due to the development of nodules of thyroid gland, where rate of synthesis and secretion of the thyroid gland is going to increase to very high levels. These are the main characteristics of hyperthyroidism. Next is exophthalmic goiter or Graves' disease. It is a form of hyperthyroidism only, and it is characterized by enlargement of your thyroid gland, protrusion of eyeball, and increased basal metabolic rate, followed by weight loss. So these are very important. Next is the function of thyroid gland. This is the last topic. Thyroid gland is used to regulate BMR. It helps in formation of RBC. It is used to control metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, and used to maintain water and electrolyte balance. Thyroid gland secretes a very important hormone called thyrocalcitonin, which regulates the blood calcium levels. Next gland is your parathyroid gland. Now there are 4 parathyroid glands which are located on the backside of the thyroid gland. Parathyroid gland secrete parathyroid hormone, PTH. Main important functions of PTH are it increases calcium 2+ level in the blood. Next, it acts on the bones and stimulate the bone reabsorption. Now parathyroid hormone is a hypercalcemic hormone. Hypercalcemic means here that it increases the blood calcium levels Thus, it balances the calcium levels in our body. So, 3 main glands are complete here. I hope you all understood it well. I'll discuss the rest of the glands in the next videos. Thanks for watching.